Alright, well this is going to be a short video. Fuck.
Jesus, dude. That is fucking strong.
It's mod time. We have a mod. And it's from I&D again. That's hilarious. Awesome.
Let's go.
Let's change it up. Let's shoot this way.
Different change of scenery.
Alright. Yeah. That works. You guys see my little hangout room. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. We have another mod today, and as you saw from front doors from I&D again, which is awesome, it's hilarious. I ordered this through Extreme Powerhouse again, and had a good deal going on. This is something I should have done a long time ago. Super excited for it. Thanks to all your comments and the peer pressure you've given me. So something you pointed out, I've been really excited about refreshing the front end and the back of my car with gloss black and carbon fiber. And I was like, cool, I'm done. Like, look, everything is matching. And then people were like, yeah, what about the orange reflectors? And I've had it for so long that I thought I saw through it. And then now that's all I see. So thank you for that. So that's what we're gonna do today. It is very popular, very traditional to get rid of the orange reflectors on the front. That's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna make this quick and simple because I'm excited, I wanna get to it. I&D. So we are going to unbox this as soon as I figure out where I put my knife. They're awesome packaging, as always. It should be like Christmas wrapping paper, honestly. Some I&D stickers there. I don't know if I've gotten them before. It's kind of cool. Yeah, so there's a lot of videos out there, including I&D themselves, who have a install video. But just to kind of go through the process, show you what I'm going to do, and some tips or tricks to pass along to you guys. And of course, the key thing is the before and after, so you have to do that. I love how they package all of their stuff. They just keep... There's one, but it looks very gray. That looks very gray. Fuck. Alright, well this is going to be a short video. Yeah, so that's not white. That's not white.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Guys. Look. Ah, mineral white is so finicky. Let me see if I can show you guys here what. So inside that definitely looked 100% gray, but that's pretty much spot on. That's pretty close. That's if you guys make that out. All right, video's back on. Okay, let's go back inside, get our stuff. All right. We almost had an epic fail there. Okay, all right. It looks so gray in here. And it's not just the camera, like, with my eyes right now, anything white, this looks like gray. I mean, well, here, my hoodie, or a box. This is gray in here, in this lighting. And to the paper towel, dude, when I open this up, it is so crazy how gray these look right now. I wonder if I drive my car inside the house, if my car would be gray. I'm not doing that though. All right, so here they are. This video has gone much different than I thought it would. So from IND, ordered through Extreme Powerhouse. I did have like some concerns because there have been people who had mentioned that their white was like way off. And IND does not have a paint match guarantee for specifically the mineral white or like custom colors. So mine being mineral white, I took that gamble, and I thought I was done for. But it looks like this might work. So let's get our stuff and let's get to it. All right, so the important thing here is to get the before and after. So this is what you guys have been bugging me about, is finally getting rid of the orange reflector that comes standard in the US models for the F80, F82, M2, M3, M4. Pretty much all US models have this somewhere in their car. So that's on that side, and then you know what it looks like on the other side. I'm gonna just do one side because I feel like it'd be pretty repetitive just to kind of show you the other one. Pretty quick, easy, simple. So things that are needed are pretty basic. When we want to get all the adhesive off, we're going to use a little bit of Gooby Gone. Just be careful with that because you don't want to get that on other parts of the car or paint. Some paper towels or rags, old rags if you have them, and a heat gun or a hair dryer. And we're just going to be using the wife's hair dryer. So that'll get us heated up a little bit. We got the wheels in full lock. So just kind of show you, you have the wheel turned in full lock. There's going to be 3 bolts. There's 1, there's 2, and then there's even a 3rd one. If you guys can see that there, it might be kind of hard to make out. It's right there, 1 and 2 and 3. Pop that fender out. Going to heat this up. And then use a trim removal tool to kind of wedge it out, and then we're going to make sure we get all the adhesive off the back so the other one will be completely flush. So let's get to it. It is hot. Don't wear a white hoodie when it's warm and you're using a hairdryer, or probably wear anything white when you're working on cars. But anyway, oh, look at that. A gift.
from yours truly. All right, with the 3 bolts removed, fender pulled back, I was able to take a little peek in there, but the main thing right now is to heat this up with your hair dryer or heat gun, whatever you have, something that'll get warm enough. Key thing is to do an even amount of coverage, just not focus on one area. So you just want to kind of keep moving it around, not be too close. Obviously, you can't be too far away either or it won't work. So that's going to heat this up, and then we're going to push this through, and I might even try to cheat a little bit with using one of the trim removal tools, kind of get some leverage once I think I got one side, and then I can just probably pry that out. So here we go. All right, I think I'm close. It's hot. So this is getting gummy on the bottom, which I purposely did because I thought if I would go on the bottom, it would be easier to use a pry tool because there's not a lot of room up here because the 3rd bolt's right here. So if I can come in from the bottom, kind of get some leverage. Here we go. So that, here's my pry tool right there. So I'm going to keep that right there. And now, carefully, I'm going to work my way up. Probably could have done a little bit more heat on the top, because it definitely seems like that didn't want to come out as easy. All right, there is the orange. All right, so now the not so fun part is going to be to get the adhesive off, but I'm going to try to make it easier on myself. And use a combo of this trim removal tool and some Gooby Gone. So I'm having a lot of success here just rolling it. I'd say probably 75% of it came off in like one long continuous string wrapped around. So that's good to know. Just to be overly cautious though, I'm still gonna get some paper towels and some Gooby Gone and go behind and just make sure I got as much off as possible. All right, put a little Gooby Gone on here. I'm just trying to be mindful of also not touching the exterior paint as much as possible. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of taking this edge of this tool and just kind of doing like a little scrape, see if I feel any stubbles, if you will. And I'm feeling pretty much nothing, which is a good sign. Which I believe, I'll use the dry side of this paper towel now, means we are able to put on our first insert. Alright, so it's time for this guy to go in. So this is just some tape here. It's going to be a little tough to get off because of the paint. Looks like they painted over it.
but looks like we got a little buddy tab here. And so we're just going to peel this back. Oh. All right. Yeah. Let's work smarter. All right, carefully holding it. 2 hands here. Take my time to line it up. Line it up. And we're gonna just push and hold. Get even pressure all the way around. It's like almost spot on with the paint. And I don't know how it was so different inside. I almost just walked off the video and was about to make a phone call, start a return. Well, why did I take so long? Why did I take so long to do that? Big difference, as you can tell. What I need to do is tuck that fender back in and just put those 3 bolts back in with the 8mm. Like I said earlier on, I'm not going to show you the other side because it's the exact same process, but I will show you both sides after I'm done. It just like shouldn't be there, and it's not. No longer there. It looks so good. There you have it. A very, very simple, easy mod to do. Don't know why I took so long to do it. I feel like I'm the last person to probably do this mod, but thank you for your comments, for your feedback, for annoying me the past couple of weeks and pointing it out and it driving me nuts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. Stay tuned. Some very key things are happening to the channel, and it's about to get really, really exciting. Catch you guys next time. See ya.